Welcome to this tutorial on how to set up your About section. This is where customers learn who you are, your mission, your vision, and the story behind your business. So getting it right helps build trust right from the start. Let's get started. Under your banner, Settings, click on About section to open the configuration area for this content. This page lets you configure your About content and images. Let's go through each part. Click Browse to select an image from your device to upload to the About section, usually something that represents your business well, like your team or workspace. Click on the title field and enter the main heading for your About section. This is the first thing customers will read, so keep it clear and welcoming. Click Browse to select an image file from your device to upload to the About section. Click here to choose the image file you want to upload for your About section. Click Save Changes to apply and save all updates made to your About section content and images. Click Title to modify the main title for your mission and vision displayed in your About section. Click on Mission Title and add a heading for your mission statement. For example, Our Mission. Click on Mission Description and write a short description of what your business is working to achieve. This helps customers understand the purpose behind what you do. Click on Vision Title and add a heading for your vision statement. For example, Our Vision. Click on Vision Description and describe where you see your business heading in the future. Together with your mission, this gives customers a fuller picture of your business's values and direction. Once everything is filled in, click Save Changes to apply all the updates made to your About section. And that's it for this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.